Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to plan in two of the monthlies that I have for May. We're going to do it in my catch-all, and then we're going to do it in my influencer planner. And I'm going to be using the kit from CoffeePlannerMom called Into the Garden. Just because I don't typically use a kit when I do a monthly. I mean, let's see, April? No, I didn't. March. I only keep 3 months or so at a time. So yeah, I don't typically use a kit, and I thought, well, what would happen if we did? Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, would you go with that? Oh, I got distracted real quick, friends. I'm still a PR girl for Coffee Planner Mom, so if you are interested in 15% off an order at Coffee Planner Mom, you can use my name Holly15 or my code, and you'll get 15% off your order and a really fun freebie. All of the things. This is the last month of school. I know I want to do some stuff down there. In fact, I think it's going to be wildflower. Yeah, I'm pretty positive. It's just a, do I need to do other decoration down there with it? But like, that space is begging for that, right? It totally is. Well, also I guess what we should do first. We're gonna do the date covers. That was really the reason why I thought, oh, let's use this kit in the monthly, because I can put these guys on top. Excuse me. The allergies are for real. Take this guy off. Okay. I don't even know why I put that right side up, because we all know I'm going to turn it upside down to put the date covers on. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. I believe I have a couple different May stickers. Let me see if I don't have one in Coffee Planner Mom. I've used it. So let's go to Crafty Nelly. Can I cover you up? Let's use some florals. Let's use some florals to help out. I'm not worried about the 2022 part. Like, that's fine. And then we can put May. Like, right there. Ha! It's like it was meant to be. I like it. Okay, so there's that. Put this away. Next, I want to put in some important date things. And I'm thinking about using boxes. I could use bullet points. We use boxes just because I usually have a ton of these left over. So let's do concert first. I'm trying to decide. Maybe we'll bring in the purple. And here we have a baby shower after school for one of the teachers. Some of this you'll see doubled up in my teacher planner, which is fine. This is just one of those months where I almost need a double plan to make sure everything that's supposed to happen happens. Super important. We've got last teacher day. I think I'll use bullets for that one. Let's use, do we need some green? Let's do green. Let's go. Last student day. Excuse me. My apologies. That. We've got a birthday, so we should use the birthday script. That comes with the kit. It's my husband's birthday. His birthday is on the 26th. We will have ice cream cake because that's his favorite kind of cake to have. Other than Mother's Day, I have a silly holiday here, and it's not May the 4th be with you. If you're an Arrested Development fan, you know. If you're not, you don't, and that's fine. Yeah, Cinco de Mayo, all those fun things. Let's go ahead and put wildflower down. I don't know if I'll do too much behind it. I might just put some florals. But, I mean, that was just made for this section. And then I think I'm going to do a checkbox. I think I'm going to do the leaves just to bring that back in. I know I usually use this as a chores list, but I think we'll do a priority list for the month because I think it's going to be one of those months where that's necessary. Just because I have a lot going on to-do wise with the end of the school year. One of the professional groups I'm with, I'm helping out with a 10th anniversary slideshow for, so I just want to make sure that I'm staying focused on the things I need to stay focused on. Super important. Put these guys back. I'm trying to remember to put things back as I use them. I'm really bad at that. And then let's put a quote up here, and then we'll probably call it good on this page. Maybe we could use some more full boxes. I don't know. We're gonna have fun. We got a couple quotes. We've got in a field of roses be a wildflower. Since we have wildflower already, I don't think we need that. Flower blossoms for its own joy. Let's try that. I wonder if we placed it on one of these purple ones. Like, or this one. Vote now. This one or this one. I think it's gonna be this one. Probably should have been the other one, but I'm gonna go this one. And then maybe we'll add some flowers just kind of on the side here. Because I have the floral deco sheet as well. I think we'll use the ones that are on this sheet first, just to make sure I use things up. Just that. I think that's all the floral deco on that one. Do I want to use anything from the big deco sheet? I don't think so. I think we're just going to leave it be. Just leave it be. So that's the month of May. As I throw things around over here in my catch-all. Now, I Frankenplan. So in this same classic planner, I have my health inserts and my social media inserts, which is the influential plans from Light's Planner Action. So we're going to skip to that section. I am liking this better than the executive plans. And as you can see, this month was purely functional. I did not decorate. I just wrote. And there's nothing wrong with that. I think sometimes we get so used to decorating our planners, which is great. There's nothing wrong with that either. But if you're looking for something that you need to just, you know, it's okay to just write in it too. Obviously. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and use up the cherry blossoms and I had, what's it called? Tulips. A few tulips. A little yellow guy just chilling here. I think we'll try and use them up because we can. I'm going to try and use this only for social media stuff. Like, I'm not going to put in concerts and all that. So, let's see. Can we put this big branch like right here? I think so. I know none of the other flowers have branches on them, but I don't think it's a huge deal. And we may end up just using the cherry blossoms. Just because there's a nice amount of space down here. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Super easy. Another one bites the dust. I like it. Let's go ahead and write in some things because you guys don't get to see that. So my typical thing is my catch-all for YouTube goes here. I'm just going to write in the ones that are typical. Teacher, I try to do at the beginning. Health, I try to do on Wednesdays. Like post. I film everything on the weekends. Maybe during the summer that'll change, but probably not. Weekends tend to be my go-to. And I'm using messy writing today. And then we'll do, so that's teacher. Let's do monthly here. So Tuesday kind of becomes my, hey, random things. I need to do, Happy Mail's going to come out tomorrow. Happy Mail, catch-all, teacher, health. I want my currently challenge to come out here, or do I want it to come out later this week? I try to kind of keep this part light because that's where filming happens. I'll have to think on that. But that gives you kind of an idea of, hey, this is how I plan out my YouTube content here. Don't think I'm going to highlight it because I know that that's whatever's on YouTube that gets posted to Instagram. And then Thursdays are typically game nights. I do want this date to be a Facebook event. I saw a new way to do a blend bash online, so I want to give it a try. And I'm going to just highlight it so I know that this one's a little bit different. Awesome. So I think that's it for my monthly. I'm not going to do anything else to it other than write in it, but that gives you an idea of what that's going to look like. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one.